Hey, what's up, you guys? This is your girl who Bossy with Bossy Solutions. And today, yes, I've got not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, but six. Yeah, that's right. I said six unsecured credit cards for people with bad credit. Now, these credit cards are going to be for people with the credit score in a range of like 500, 550 area. You probably will be, more likely to get it if you're closer to like 560. But first of all, I wanted to say shout out to all of the new subscribers. We are at like what? At the time of this recording, we are at like 152 subscribers. Listen, y'all are the real MVPs, okay? Now, today I'm talking to you about Continental Finance, okay? And if you're trying to get an unsecured credit card and you got, bad credit and you really want to not go ahead, you really would like to go around having to get a secured credit card, listen, I got the right card for you. I got the company for you, Continental Finance. Now, a few of these cards, three of them are mail in offer only. So if you got a mail offer for three of these cards, then you can go ahead and apply. The other three, you can go ahead, go on to Continental Finance's website and apply for one of them. Now, the Surge card is a card that I recently had, but I closed the account. I did not like the account. So if I'll have that video to the Surge card linked in the bottom and up top. So you just go on and you apply and you see if you get qualified. Each of these cards, the credit limit is anywhere from $300 to $1,000. And there is a $89 fee to start your card. And then there will be eventually, I think, an $89 annual fee. I'm not sure, but they don't charge that on the first month like other cards might. So when you get the card, your available balance will be your credit limit minus, I think, the annual fee, and then you have to pay to activate the card. So that's kind of the turn off of the card, but these cards are legit, and I think they're a good option for anyone who wants to see if they can qualify for an unsecured credit card before they go ahead and have to save up the money or put the money aside for a secured credit card. Now, all of these cards can be used to rent hotels, rental cars. You can use these credit cards for anything. So that's all I have. You guys know I want to give you guys as much information as I can really quick. And with all that being said, I'll see you in the next video. And come back every Monday, okay? There's going to be a new video every single Monday about credit cards, okay? All right, you guys, I love you. And let me know if you apply for one of these cards and how much you get approved for, okay? If you want, in the chat, okay? All right, I love you guys. Stay beautiful. Stay blessed. Get that money, okay? Like a boss.